Zuby Masters, returning to my Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. Up your arsenal. Alright, back to the Starship Phoenix. We just got our first Quark vid comic. And now returning back to base. Starship Phoenix. Before I do anything,
watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
alright then.
These are the real-life adventures of Captain Quark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Hey, this thing on?
Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball. In the early days of the 5th Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Quark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Quark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this is a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right. Now we begin the interactive
That's literally an
portion of episode
impossibility.
1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder.
How can robots be ghosts? Alright then. Ah, dang it!
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize. Bling bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
There we go. There we go. Oh boy. Dang it. There we go. Careful of the displaying platforms. Sweet. Alright. 64. There's 36 more to go. There we go. Oh.
Old-timers say a giant robotic space eel haunts this ship. What a bunch of hoo-hoo. Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
There we go. Jump. Jump. There we go. Gotcha. Jump. I need 2. 3. Ooh. One more to go. Got a titanium Hulk. Alright. Jump, jump, jump.
A nice juicy health upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dang it. Oh boy. Almost there. One left. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. Sweet.
I mean, I've worked on some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Pirate, ghost, robots. I mean, what do they think? We're idiots?
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the cube. With great reluctance, Quark accepted a meager fee for his services and promptly donated the entire sum to the Quark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Quark.
I've got a big heart. Mr. President? Yes, I got the fruit basket, thanks. It turns out I'm allergic to prunes. Yeah, who knew? What? Blackwater City is under attack. Yes, sir, I'm on my way.
The exciting, all-true, right, adventures of Captain Quark continue in Episode 2.
Flashback.
Well, who's that handsome devil?
It appears Quark has regained his memory.
Hey, this dressing room isn't fit for a pig. What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. In the meantime, I've got a mission that's perfect for you two. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway, the device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation. Check it out.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we feature an all-new Death Course.
Ooh boy.
Let's meet tonight's victim. Oops, I mean contestant, Fred. Fred's
Hi, Frank.
a fun accountant who claims he once had a Morpho Ray go off in his pants. What a champ. Let's take a look at what he's up against.
Laser beams. Moving walls.
Looks too bad now, does it?
Flames and robotic command and heavily armed robotic commandos. Ooh.
Next.
Another day, another death course.
Time to go to Annihilation Nation.
Are you ready to play? All right, let's meet our first contestant. He's an unemployed rocket mechanic who claims to have saved 2 galaxies, but most people know him as Secret Agent Clank's bumbling chauffeur.
Well,
He hopes that disguising himself as a Tyrannoid will make him more attractive to the ladies.
what?
Hey,
Give a warm welcome to Ratchet! Ratchet will attempt to be the first contestant ever to survive the Death Course. Contestant number 1, are you ready?
bring it on.
Push the button to flip the side. Ooh, he's got sharp teeth too. I wonder if he bites.
That way.
Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Yeah.
This is gonna be exciting. Oh man, this job is too much fun. This little guy can really move.
To center the camera, tap L1.
Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
There we go. Sweet. Oh. Sweet, another Quark Ved comic. Yeah.
Now it's time to get down and dirty for a lowdown showdown. Oh, brother, he's lighting it up like a Christmas tree.
There we go.
Yowzer, that's gonna hurt.
Sweet. Upgrade my sock hand.
Did somebody say Inferno? Oh, brother, he's lighting it up like a Christmas tree.
Go.
That, folks. I don't believe it, folks. He survived the death course. And here to give you your prize, the lovely Miss Courtney Gears. How about that, folks? He is better looking.
Do not be alarmed, Sasha. That is Ratchet.
Oh, I see you won the terror guys. It's very convincing. Anyway, there's something I think the two of you need to see.
Quark personal log, entry 101301. After I personally vanquished the Protopet menace and revamped the Megacorp testing facility, I decided to focus my efforts on protecting the endangered creatures of the Florana jungle. But when news arrived that Dr. Nefarious had again risen to power, I knew where my true destiny lay. The training necessary to get back into tip-top shape has been exhausting, and my mind overflows with brilliant concepts. So I still yearn for the bittersweet stench of my simian companions. The time has come to resume my duties as the greatest hero the galaxy has ever known, Captain Quark!
Oh God.
You're not gonna believe this, but the president put Quark in charge of the fight against Nefarious. Our new commander just called his first team meeting. You better get back to the Phoenix right away.
I agree. This does not sound good.
Come back anytime to compete for cash prizes.
Sweet.
Ladies and gentlemen, oh, and Helga, welcome to the Q-Force. You have been assembled here because each of you is an expert in your particular field. From Al's mastery of electronics to Skid's nerves of steel, to Helga's sensual powers of seduction, that you are worthy to wear. Society has flared up again. Our first mission will be to infiltrate the Doctor's top secret base on planet Aquatos. Impossible, you say? Perhaps for a lesser strategist. Behold, my brilliant plan! First, Ratchet and Clank will descend to the sea floor and wade through a series of tunnels flooded with waist-high raw sewage.
What?
Please hold your questions until the end of the presentation. After infiltrating the base, our agents will split up. Clank will enter the base's ventilation system, where he will locate and deploy this banana-guided autonomous monkey device, or the GAMD. Meanwhile, Ratchet will use his extensive knowledge of the Tyrannoid language and customs to win the trust of the bloodthirsty alien gods. Finally, our agents will make their way to Nefarious's personal office, steal everything that isn't nailed down, and exfiltrate the base completely undetected.
Ooh. And all in crayon.
That's crazy!
But it just might work.
I urgently need to know how the Quark versus Nefarious VidComic series ends. When are you going to play your new comic?
I'll do it right now, okay?
If anybody finds a Star Master scientific calculator, please contact Lost.
Comic Episode 2, Ariba Amoeba. A new evil was gathering in the shadowy swamps of Blackwater City. A horrific breed of monsters known as Amoeboids, born in the laboratories of a twisted scientist named Dr. Nefarious.
To think, they called me insane.
He was human.
We'll see who's insane. When
I'd say the roboticizing was an improvement.
all life on this miserable planet.
That should clear things right up, sir. When Captain Quark encountered the Amoeboids for the first time, he immediately executed Emergency Response Plan number 2.
Hey, wait just a minute.
Quark then proceeded to stall for time while he coordinated the city's defenses from the women's restroom at Galaxy Burger.
Give me that thing, you lying, no good. Right. Now, where were we? The moment I touched down, I knew the situation called for a head-on assault. Without hesitation, I rushed to do heroic battle with the monstrous amoeboid horde.
Alright then. Up.
All right, now for the fancy stuff. Press X while I'm in the air near a wall to see my awesome wall kick move.
Come on. Now we have our flamethrower. There we go. Tried to hide from me, huh? Dang it. Sweet. There we go. There we go. Up. Go. Jump. Jump. Go. Up. Up. Alright then, come on. Come on. Dang it. Dang it. Oh. Sweet. There we go. Dang it! Ooh, boy, that was close. Right then, let's do this. Ha, jump. And go. Yeah. Jump, jump. Keep going. 88, 89, 90. Oh. Oh well. Sweet. 9,000 bolt.
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me. I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years.
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Quark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Quark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
Nice.
Hold circle to target multiple enemies with the spitting Hydra. Release circle to fire.
All right. Here we go. Wattos.
Incoming call. Oh no.
Clank, Bubby, you're killing me!
Excuse me?
I'm trying to make a picture here, and Mr. Big Shot Star is nowhere to be found.
I am currently occupied with a mission of galactic security.
Right, I get it. You want a bigger trailer? Done. You want a daily oil massage? Done. I need my star on the set pronto, capiche?
You're breaking up.
You know, I can see you, weasel boy.
Oh yeah? How about now?
Nice.
He'll figure something out. We've got work to do.
Aquatos. Looks like someone's already here.
Skid, what are you doing here?
My code name is Shadow Dude, bro. Black ops are my specialty. I figured you guys could use my help.
Thanks, Shadow Dude, but I think we've got this one covered.
All right, I'll just take my hacker and go back to the ship.
Hacker? Oh, well, you know, on second thought, I think we'd like you to join the mission, Shadow Dude.
Awesome! This is gonna be sick!
Jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
Alright. Go. Alright then, looks like I need to go underwater for this part.
You haven't forgotten how to swim, have you? Press square to dive and X to rise. Press harder to dive or rise faster. Your helmet will provide oxygen. At least, in theory.
Alright.
Be careful down there. My scanners show a huge biomass moving towards you.
Weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
Awesome. Ah, dang it. Go. Fire.
This weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
Go. Sweet. Got a titanium bolt. Ooh, be careful. Dang it.
Shh! Clank, did you hear that?
We are not alone.
Hey, dudes, I forgot to feed my goldfish. I'll see you back at the...
Well, if it ain't two of my best customers.
Slim Cognito? What are you doing down here?
I had a small run-in with the cops concerning a suck cannon upgrade that was mistakenly sold to a minor. I swear the kid looked 18. Anyway, I needed to find a less conspicuous place to do business. I take it you two are still in the market.
Well, let's see what you've got.
Let's see here. Let's head down to the Various' base now.
There's the ventilation shaft. We must split up here.
Yeah, well, I guess it's time to put on the Tira guys and go meet my new pals.
Good luck. I will assist you if I can. Perhaps you should have read the instruction manual. It was nice knowing you, Ratchet.
Ooh, unsettling.
No monkeying around.
Monkey.
Monkeying. Ahem. We are on an important mission.
Clank, that little sucker will shoot him. Give it a try.
There we go.
Clank, if the guards discover you, just shoot a banana and have the monkey distract them.
Ratchet, I need you to extend the bridge at Junction G5.
Alright then.
Ratchet, I found some online instructions for the Tira guys. Let's see. When you speak to a Tyrannoid, you should see a...
X. X. Triangle. Square. Circle. Excuse me, sir. Would you kindly open that door for me? It'd be an honor and a privilege, my Tyrannoid brother. Nice. Jump. 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 Triangle, circle, square, square, triangle. I have a message from Dr. Nefarious. You look suspicious. Who are you? Circle, square, square, triangle, X, triangle, X. I am a loyal servant of Dr. Nefarious, certainly not a Lombax. Very well. One can't be too careful. Talk. Up, down, square, circle, X. Don't tell anyone, but I have 5 bolts under this grind. Sucker, it's all mine now. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're going to need to get here to get the nanobots.
Look, Gadgebots! I love those little guys. To give them commands, just hold triangle and select a command with the left analog stick.
Ah, dang it. Jump. 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 On, hold. Yes. Go. Go. There we go. There we go. Jump. Jump. Whew. Up. Down. Circle. Left. I have to repair the hollow bit in the break room. It's about time we missed yesterday's Secret Agent Clank episode. Up, down, square, left, triangle, up, X. Would you mind extending the bridge, sir? You have no clearance. How do I know I can trust you? Down, circle, triangle, left, up, down, because I'll give you my sister's phone number, and I'm definitely not a Lombax. Well, why didn't you say so? Guess I'll give it to him later.
Well, what took you so long?
Clank, what are you doing here? You're supposed to meet me on the surface.
I thought I would help.
Well, you can give me a hand searching Dr. Nefarious's office. Let's see it. Oh, look at this. The complete Secret Agent Clank Holovid collection. This guy's your biggest fan.
That is rather disturbing. I have downloaded an encrypted star map. Perhaps Al can decode it.
Great. Let's get back to the Phoenix.
All right. Yeah, here we go. Sweetness.
Deja vu.
Oh, it's you two again. Right on schedule. This here's one of the nastiest, smelliest sewers in the galaxy. Most guys wouldn't set foot in a place like this, but me? I just can't get enough.
Right. Well, we were just passing through. You can get back to whatever you were doing.
Hey, if you find any sewer crystals, I'll pay you for them in bolts. I'm making something special for the missus.
Sewer crystals. We'll keep that in mind.
Oh, good. 2,000 for each, huh? That sounds fair.
Fresh from the bowels of a king amoeboid.
Good.
To throw your whip, hold R1 and press circle.
There we go. Return to the ship.
Sorry to disturb your work, sir, but you may want to know that your impenetrable secret base on Aquatos has been penetrated.
Impossible!
If you say so, sir. They apparently stole some sort of data disk. Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it was a Captain Quark or something.
You'll always be the love of my life.
You really should have that looked at.
That moron could never hope to match wits with the likes of me.
If anyone can beat a moron at his own game, it's you, sir. He has, however, assembled a group of elite agents known as the Q-Force.
What? This Q-Force must be stopped. Destroy them! Eradicate them! Annihilate them all!
It's on my to-do list, right after folding your undergarments.
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order. After all, my plan worked even more perfectly than expected. Well?
Way to go, dude.
Don't mention it. I'm just doing my job. Now that I know where the Tyrannoids are coming from, I can put a stop to this alien menace once and for all. With utter disregard for my own safety, I've drawn up an ingenious plan for an attack on Tyrannosis. First, I shall humbly step aside, allowing Ratchet to free fall down and take out the mortar launchers at the landing site. Once the mortars have been silenced, the dropship will make its descent. Next, Ratchet will take the assault vehicle from the dropship, make his way to the 4 plasma cannon turrets, and destroy them. Once the turrets have been knocked out, Ratchet will personally lead the assault on the main enemy base. All right, let's get to it! Yes, you there in the front.
Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of you gonna be doing while I'm down there getting blasted?
We'll be monitoring the situation closely from here. Actually, we'll be down at the lunch buffet on deck 5. It's Meatloaf Day. But we'll be rooting for you every step of the way.
Yeah, man, we got your back.
Yeah, the plan is excellent.
Alright, well, That's it for this video. Hope you like it and stay tuned.